My name is Hannah Cox, and I'm a student at the Wendell Berry Farming Program. I don't come from a farming family. As I got older, I went to school for a nursing major. I wasn't crazy about the healthcare industry the deeper I got into it, and I started to research sustainable farming, permaculture, regenerative ag, and I just fell in love with it. My husband and I, we moved back to Henry County where we both grew up, and we bought a farm, and I found the Wendell Berry Farming Program.
When I think of a graduate of the Wendell Berry Farming Program, I want to think of Hannah. She's the first person that comes to my mind. Her work on their farm, restoring an old farmhouse, bringing the land back, working with her livestock systems, step by step, they're going to build a pretty amazing farm.
I raise pastured poultry, which means they're chickens that are in a chicken tractor that I move by hand every day. It's really easy to move, and they're on grass every day so they can be a chicken. We got a dairy cow, so we use her and the chickens to repair the pastures. My number one drive is my kid and raising good food for him and raising him on the farm. Teach him the values that you get along the way. The ultimate goal is to feed the people around me just good food, good quality food, and repair the land while we're at it.